In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to cart on Dhgate. Start by opening your browser and going to dhgate.com. Sign in to your account so your items and settings are saved while you shop. Signing in at the beginning helps ensure the cart remembers your choices across pages and devices. Next, use the search bar to find the product you want. Type in a clear keyword or model name, then open a product page that matches what you're looking for. On the product page, take a moment to review the photos, the description, and the available variations. You'll usually see options like color, size, style, or other specifications. Choose the options that best match your needs. If the Add to Cart button looks disabled, it's often because an option hasn't been selected yet. Set the quantity you want. You can usually adjust this with plus and minus buttons or by typing a number directly. Keep an eye on any notes about minimum order quantities since some listings require a certain number before they can be added. Once your options and quantity are set, click Add to Cart. You should see a confirmation on the screen letting you know the item was successfully added. When you're ready to review what you've picked, open your cart. Look for the cart icon. On desktop, it's typically at the top of the page, and in the mobile app, it can appear at the bottom. Inside the cart, review the product title, selected options, and price. If you need more or fewer units, adjust the quantity right there. Make sure the variations shown in the cart match what you selected on the product page so there are no surprises later. If you want to place the order now, proceed to checkout. First, select the items in your cart that you want to purchase, then click Buy Now or Checkout. You'll be prompted to enter your shipping address. Fill it out completely, including apartment or unit numbers to avoid delivery issues. Next, choose your payment method and enter the required details. Before you confirm, take a quick look at the order summary. This is where you'll see the item cost and any shipping fees. If everything looks correct, confirm the order to place it. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to sign in, find a product, choose the right options, add it to your cart, review your selections, and if you're ready, complete checkout. Pause and replay any section as you practice, and you'll be adding to cart on Dhgate with confidence.